welcome to this video. This Apple INOX SPRINGS padlock I received from tacitguardian from Will in Australia. So Will, thank you very much for this very interesting lock. He wrote that it's relatively inexpensive, but a very interesting pick. Just have a look to the front where you can see the first key pin. It's a serrated one. And this tells you a little bit about the quality of this lock. And yes, it's a very interesting and enjoyable pick. So yeah, let's try to pick it. I don't have a key, but I don't need a key. So let's zoom in. I use a thin Peterson pry bar to tension the lock, and no, the wrong pick. That one, thin number 7 Peterson hook to pick it. So pin 1 is springy, pin 2 just touch pin 2 and gotta turn on the core, got feedback, and again feedback from 2, and it dropped into a false set. So the driver pin of stack number 2 is serrated, and yeah, now I'm searching for a spool to be picked. Pin 3 is giving me feedback, and I got it. Pin 4 is giving me feedback. Got it. And pin 5, nothing. Maybe it's just a 4-pinner. Could be. I start with pin 1. Pin 1 is a spool, gives me feedback. Hard to get under pin 1. I think I got it, but something might have dropped. So that's pin 3, I guess. And open. Very nice pick, very interesting. Serrated pins and spools. So Will, thank you very much for this great experience for this fun pick. And yeah, I would have loved to replace the shackle, but I don't have a replacement shackle. So if someone of you that is who is watching the video would like to receive this lock in order to repair it, please let me know. I'll be happy to send it to you. Alright, so thank you very much for watching, happy picking, and bye bye. And Will, thanks again. Ciao!